Hello everyone. So in this video, we are going to discuss question number 33 of GATE Day 25 exam. And this question was asked for 1 mark. Simple question based on SQL. Okay. So if you see GATE Day 24 paper as well, so they have asked this type of question. If you see CSC paper as well, they have asked this type of question for 1 mark. They will give one or two table. They will give the SQL query. You need to find out either the output or the number of rows written by this particular query. That's it. Okay. So here you can see we have a loan table. We have three attributes: loan number, branch name, and the amount. The following SQL query is executed. Select L1 dot loan number from loan L1 where amount greater than what. So select maximum L2 dot amount from loan L2 where L2 dot branch name equals to SR Nagar. So we need to compare the amount with what the output of this particular subquery here. Okay. And here you can see L2 refer to this loan table, L1 also refer to this loan table here. Now, how max function works, it will give us the maximum value of this particular attribute amount. So from this particular column, we are going to get the maximum value. But we have a condition here. We want the maximum amount for what? Whenever the branch name is equals to SR Nagar. So first we have to filter the table based on the SR Nagar and then we have to find out the maximum amount here. So that's why I said order of execution of SQL clauses is very important. Okay. If you want to understand how this entire SQL query works, subquery works, you should know order of execution of SQL clauses. Okay. So here you can see first from clause will execute, then where clause will execute, right? So first we need to filter the table based on the branch name SR Nagar. Now if I apply a condition here, you can see this row SR Nagar, SR Nagar and SR Nagar. So we are going to get these three rows in the output after applying the filter here. But what we want? Maximum amount here. Now out of these three rows, which one having maximum amount? 40, 25 or 65? You can clearly see 65,000. So the output of this entire SQL query is what? 65,000 here. Now this is going to get compared with this particular query now. Now we are selecting a loan number from table loan where amount is greater than 65,000. So you can see a table now. How many rows are there having the amount greater than 65,000? Right? So you can see 90,000, one row, second row and third row. So we have these three rows which is having amount greater than 65,000. So that's it. Number of rows written by the query is what? 3 here. So simple question which was asked for 1 mark here. Okay. So they can give this particular table and they can change the query. Okay. So if I say instead of branch name SR Nagar, I will put another branch name, then what will be the output? If I say I will just remove this entire where clause, just this particular thing, then what will be the output? Okay, if I say instead of this a branch name equals to SR Nagar, I will change the condition like this. Let's say for example branch name in clause SR Nagar comma this Kondapur, right? Then what will be the output, right? Along with this particular expression, its query, I will put one more thing here. And let's say for example branch name equals to this or branch name like this one. So string matching also we can do branch underscore name like let's say for example %r. So whichever the branch name ending with r, right? So we can put multiple condition. We can change the condition. I can also change instead of max, we can write mean here. Instead of mean, we can write sum, average, count, any number of sum, average, count, any aggregate function here. Right? So this is how you need to decode the previous year question here. So take one question and try to think what are the possible question can be framed based on this particular concept. Okay. I hope you understand the video solution of this particular question and the correct answer is 3 number of rows. That is basically this one and this one. Okay. Thank you.